Zen! Oh my god, Zen! Zen! Thank you for subbing for the demons. I love you. I hope you're doing well. We're gonna play Apex today, okay? You will, right? Right? You play Apex with me, right? Zen? Right? It's the new season. You have to. Let's play Apex. Let's play Apex. Yeah, I'm at it again. How to cook? That always makes me laugh. Yes, sir. Oh, what about Vaycock? It's the trio: How to Cook, Vaycock, and Zencock. The only I was gonna make a joke, but it's not say so. The COQUES Assemble. It's my favorite COQUES. Man, I love a bit of Vaycock, you know. It has some guff to it. And the How to Cook one, you know, it's got some. It's quite sweet. It's like syrupy. And Zencock is thick.